So hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the smaller version of this Zebronic Super Bazooka, which is this Zebronic Bazooka. So let's move in. So hey friends, this is the box of the Zebronic Bazooka, and first we are going to read what's written on the box, then we'll move inside the box. And these are some of the highlighted features of the box. As you can see, it has Bluetooth support, micro SD card support, USB support, it has FM also, aux support, and a barrel design. Barrel design means the same design like the Artis BT306, 504 and the bigger brother of the speaker, the Zebronic Super Bazooka. If you haven't watched that video, see there's a card appearing over there, so you can click on that card and watch that video. That was a fantastic speaker. And at the back, as you can see, some specifications on this side, some features of the speaker and package content over here. So now we are going to move inside the box. So you have to open the box from this side, and so as you can see, first you get the speaker. So we are going to remove the speaker out of the box. So this is the speaker out of the box, and you get the accessory package over here. And accessory wise, you get a strap also, so you can carry the speaker with you properly. And this is the aux cable. This is, oh, you get two aux cable. I think this is some mistake, but you get two aux cable inside one accessory package. I've never seen this happen. And as you can see, this is your charging cable, traditional charging cable, micro USB cable, as you get in other speakers which I have unboxed. And this is the manual for the speaker. So friends, till the time I clean up all this stuff, you can take a look at the speaker. So friends, this is the Zebronic Bazooka out of the box, and first we are going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, the whole speaker is made out of plastic, soft touch plastic, which feels very premium because for the price you're paying, it's super premium. And the design is very similar to its elder brother, the Zebronic Super Bazooka. If you haven't seen that video, you can see there is a card appearing over there. That speaker is the elder brother of this speaker, and this is the Zebronic Bazooka, and the design is very similar. This is the very famous barrel design like you see on the Artis speakers, the Zebronic speakers, and the eyeball speakers. This is the very famous design because lots of speakers have this same design, and because of this design, this speaker is very portable. And if you can imagine, like the speaker in that retro squarish kind of a design, this speaker might be more bigger, the dimensions might be more bigger, but because of the cylindrical design, this is a very portable speaker. This is a very lightweight speaker also. If you want to carry this speaker, if you are a traveler, definitely go for this speaker because the speaker will not take that much of space in your baggage anywhere. This speaker is very portable, very lightweight, and the design is superb. The build quality is just fabulous. Nothing rattles on this speaker. Despite that, everything is made out of plastic. The fit and finish is superb. When you consider the price point, this is one of the best built and designed speakers in the market right now. But I will say one thing, that the strap which you get inside the box is just not that good quality because this is a very thin material which can tear pretty easily, and this is kind of a transparent, that kind of thin this speaker is. You can just see through this fabric. I don't like the fabric used, and the quality of the strap is pretty bad. If you're going for this speaker, don't install this strap on this speaker because this strap will make the speaker look and feel more cheap. And moving on to the features of the speaker, features wise, you get lots of stuff on the speaker, stuff like you will never imagine at this price point you will get from this brand. You get lots of connectivity options. As you can see over here, you get a USB port, SD card slot, aux in. With the aux in, you get aux cord also. I got two aux cord, but that was a mistake by this brand. You will not get two aux cords, you get only one aux cord. Be thankful that you are getting that too, because I haven't got any kind of aux cable with some of the speakers which I have purchased just now, which I'm going to review. They are coming soon, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. You're getting some great content in the near future. So moving on to the features of the speaker, you get about 2000 mAh of battery, which is superb on the speaker, and the playtime on the speaker is about 5 to 6 hours, which is just a lot. This is a 5-watt speaker, by the way, and the charging time written on the box is too much, like it's written 3 to 4 hours. Let me show you. Let me get the box first. As you can see over here, the charging time is 3 to 4 hours, but in my testing I've charged this speaker full in 2 hours or 1.5 or 2 hours. And as you can see, the play time is also very low on this speaker, 2 to 3 hours written on the box, but in my testing this speaker gives me about 6 hours of playback time, which is just fantastic and at full volume. Moving on to the next feature, you get a FM mode, you get latest Bluetooth, you get this barrel design. This is a 5-watt speaker. You get a microphone, you can pick up calls from this speaker. You don't get an auto shutdown feature, but it's okay for the price you're paying. So now we are going to move to the button layout of the speaker. As you can see over here, you get 4 buttons on the speaker. This is the on off button, which is very tactile, just on and off, nothing else. But you get 3 buttons over here, which you can see these are very small buttons. You have to use your specs to see what is written on those buttons. This is the play pause button, you can see in the center, and as you can see there is an M button also, so that means mode. You can change different kinds of modes, like from Bluetooth to FM or FM to Bluetooth, so that's a great thing. You can change tracks from these 2 buttons given on both the sides. You can change volume also from these 2 buttons. So these buttons feel very tactile. When you click those buttons, you have that tactile feel, and the sound is also super. When you click the button, you have that kind of a confidence when you click the button that this product is a high quality product. So now we are going to move on to the sound test of this speaker. So the name of the song is Feel Good. As you can see, the volume from my device is full, so now I'm going to play the song, and this is a 5-watt speaker. So now I'm playing the song. Now this is better. As you've heard the speaker, we come to a conclusion that the sound from the speaker is very loud. It's super loud. This speaker is just trying to be loud. Like a 5-watt speaker is more louder than a 10-watt speaker, and this speaker should not be that loud. It's just shouting like crazy. I don't know what have they done with that amplification thing inside the speaker. The 5-watt speaker is not working that good. It's just horrible. My ears were paining at full volume. I've done it for the first time. I've never done this thing in my review. I've unboxed about 20 or 25 speakers in this channel. While the sound tests were going on, the volumes are full every time, but in this review I've done it. I've reduced the volume a little bit, like about 20%. I've reduced the volume because it was just hurting my ears badly. When you reduce the volume, the sound is very good in my opinion. You can hear each and everything what that singer is singing. The bass is pretty low. It's like okay, it's just there, so it's okay. But this speaker is not a bad speaker at all. I know I'm very much disappointed with the sound of this speaker. I don't know why they did this. The amplification was too damn bad on this speaker. That speaker was very loud for my ears. No, not for my ears actually. I've heard more louder speakers, but for this 5-watt speaker, the small unit was sounding rubbish, and they have done a bad job when it comes to amplification. But when you reduce the volume, you can hear each and everything. It becomes very clear. It sounds like a 5-watt speaker at that time. So if you want a speaker which doesn't sound that loud, is not that heavy, you want to carry it everywhere, very portable, you get lots of connectivity options with it, you want a very funky looking speaker, you can go for this speaker. But if you want a better speaker than this speaker, you can see that there's a link in description. Do check them out. There are some links in the description. Speakers which are better than this speaker, but they cost a little bit more from this speaker. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Zebronic Bazooka. Thank you for watching friends.